Welcome back. Time now 5:21. You know we are your hurricane headquarters. And Grant, we just got that update from the National Hurricane Center about a half hour ago or so. We're watching the models of tropical storm Elsa. Major concern down in South Florida for obvious reasons as crews are still searching for survivors of that condo collapse.
Yeah, and obviously they're going to be watching that and trying to get as much work done ahead of this potential impact as possible. I mean, there's still a lot of uncertainty in that long-range forecast, but I do want to point out this is a map that shows you the probability of receiving tropical storm force winds. Okay, so there's Elsa right now. It begins to move into the Windward Islands sometime over the next couple of days. This thing's moving really quickly, though. By Monday morning, tropical storm force winds could be possible in southeast Florida and even here in Tampa Bay. The timing of it is really up in the air, but we're looking at the potential for the arrival of those tropical storm force winds as early as Monday morning into Monday midday. But I can't stress this enough. From Saturday onward in that long-range forecast, there is quite a bit of uncertainty in exactly how strong the system will be and also where it will be as well. Right now, we've got a 5% chance, that's it, of receiving those tropical storm conditions going into the beginning of next week. So there's Elsa. Let's take you down there. Let's take a look at it here. We're looking at that banding that's starting to occur with a tropical storm. So it's bumped up in the intensity. So that's what makes it a tropical storm. Wind speeds at 40 miles per hour. It needs 39 miles per hour or stronger to be a tropical storm. Here's the thing. It's moving really quickly to the west at 25 miles per hour. All other conditions are actually suitable for strengthening, but because it's moving so quickly, it might actually run out itself, and that'll shear it apart a little bit. So that's one thing that's working in favor of keeping this thing relatively weak, but ultimately the forecast track does bring it towards Tampa. It would be centered over Key West sometime Tuesday morning, but because those tropical storm force winds extend out beyond the center of the storm, that's why we're saying Monday morning for the potential arrival of those tropical storm conditions if we see it. Let me show you the forecast models here. Each one of those lines indicates a different forecast model and where the track of that system is potentially going to go. Some of the forecast models centered right over western Florida. Some are trending more to the east, and that's with a weaker system that could potentially bring it up through the Bahamas. But a lot of uncertainty. The National Hurricane Center is saying this, and I can't say it enough either. A lot of forecast uncertainty because of where will that ridge of high pressure go, how strong will the storm be if it interacts with Hispaniola. That will ultimately determine, does it curve up to the north sooner, or does it take more of a westerly track, turn north, and potentially impact us here more in Tampa Bay. Stay tuned. We're early in this, and this is going to be early next week that we could potentially see those impacts. Jabari.